Welcome Korean customers to visit EagerLED. We are very happy to meet you in this opportunity and take you to visit our LED screen showroom. In the showroom, many different types of LED screens are displayed, including indoor and outdoor applications, rental screens, transparent screens, etc., covering various scene requirements. During the visit, the customer showed great interest in our products and spoke highly of our display effects and innovative designs. Through this visit, the customer has a deeper understanding of our technical strength and product advantages. We also introduced the characteristics and application scenarios of each LED screen to the customer in detail to help them make the best choice.